In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a call button to your Google Ads. This can significantly enhance your advertising strategy by making it easier for potential customers to contact you directly. So let's dive in and make it happen in just a few simple steps. To begin, open up your web browser and go to the Google Ads website. If you're new to Google Ads, this is where you can create targeted campaigns to reach your audience online. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see an option to sign in at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Enter your credentials and gain access to your Google Ads account. After signing in, you will land on your Google Ads homepage, which serves as the control center for all your advertising campaigns. Here you can manage your ads, monitor their performance, and make strategic decisions to optimize your reach. Now let's focus on how to add the call button. First, look for the tab labeled Goals in the menu on the left side of your screen. Clicking on this will take you to a section dedicated to setting specific objectives for your advertising campaigns. Setting goals is crucial as it helps you focus on what you want to achieve, whether it's increasing website visits, boosting sales, or getting more calls from interested customers. Next, you'll want to click on Conversions. This section helps you track actions that contribute to the success of your ads. By adding a conversion action, you can better measure the effectiveness of your ad campaigns. Once you're in the conversion section, look for the button that says New Conversion Action and click on it. This is where you'll set up your call button as a conversion goal. Now from the options presented, select phone calls. This option is specifically designed for tracking calls as a form of conversion. By doing this, you're not only adding a call button, but also ensuring that each call is counted as a successful interaction driven by your ad. This data can be incredibly valuable as you tweak your campaigns over time. Each of these steps gradually builds on the last, creating a seamless way to make your ads more interactive and customer friendly. With the call button enabled, you're giving your audience a straightforward way to reach out, increasing the likelihood of direct communication, which in turn can lead to more conversions and sales. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a call button to your Google Ads. This strategic addition not only simplifies customer engagement, but also enhances your ability to measure and optimize your advertising efforts. Remember that constantly reviewing and adjusting your strategies based on data is the key to success. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide empowers you to make the most out of your Google Ads campaigns.